The chipper didn't get here today, so they're going to clean this mess up tomorrow. The rose bush is smashed, but it'll grow back, Renee said. I just put the mailbox back up. It was laying crooked. Should have filmed it first, huh? Big mess. Yep. I got to get the shredder out here tomorrow, like I said. And we put this fence back together. I don't know what that one piece of fence, see, it's crooked. That's why I gotta fix that board. All the cords there. They hit the lilac bush right there. And right there. Lilac bush. Let's see it. Being wet outside, they swept it the best they could. Even down the end. Yeah, okay.
Huh?
Yes. The rest will wash away. It's too wet.
Huh?
Watch out, buddy. Watch out, buddy.
What's that?
It's the rest. The rest will wash away
Oh,
because it's too wet to sweep.
yeah. Yeah.
Same with this little.
Yeah, but they get to dry.
I hope I was recording when I was doing all that other stuff with him. It probably wasn't when I went over there, took my inspection. See the mess? There's a mess, but you can't get rid of it. It's wet. Gonna put together some kind of collage of all these videos. Sad. Hurts. The character of this house has changed. You know? And then Rose Bush bounced back, huh? That's what it looks like from here. The stack is as tall as I, up to the windows. Right up to the windows. That's me, yep. Stack is up to the windows. That's up to my that's up to my chest area.